Hi, I'm Erin Stellato, and in this video, we'll look at using / commands for GitHub Copilot in SSMS. In our editor, we have a stored procedure, and we'll go ahead and highlight the T-SQL for that alter procedure. And then we'll use the / commands, and you see we have a whole list here. Doc, fix, explain, optimize are the ones that you're probably going to use most often with SQL. And we'll select doc to specifically have it document that code. And just like with the right-click menu, it's taking the T-SQL, sending that along with the doc command, and any other context, coming back with the documented T-SQL. We go ahead and apply that to the active document, we get the diff, and then we will select keep if we want to keep those changes. Notice that we also have an option to view this side by side as opposed to inline. And when we switch to viewing things side by side, we can more easily look at each section individually and select keep versus undo. So I'm just going to each change and selecting keep. Now at the bottom, I don't want to keep the removal of the non-clustered index. So we'll go ahead and reject that or undo that change. And then when we're finished, we have that final script that is documented. Using these / commands, very easy. Again, you can also do them from the right-click menu. Hope that helps get you started with some additional assistance from GitHub Copilot. Thanks for watching.